When you hear the name Taylor Swift, you might not picture the 17-year-old girl who started her career as a country singer back in 2006. Well, Taylor Swift has come a long way and is now making a big impact in the music industry. Let's take a peek behind the scenes to learn more about Taylor Swift's life. Have you noticed Taylor Swift's remarkable success? She's now among the richest celebrities globally and one of the wealthiest female musicians, with a mind-boggling estimated fortune of $740 million. According to Forbes, her financial power is expected to grow even more as she finishes her exciting tour in the United States and South America, potentially earning over $1 billion. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the lives, lifestyles, and spending habits of the world's elite. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Get ready for more wealth as she gets ready to enchant people in countries like Japan, Singapore, and Australia in the coming year. Just like a captivating destiny, with her worldwide fame, she's set to earn even more money, making her not just a music superstar, but also a rapidly rising financial sensation. In the world of money, Taylor Swift's wealth has skyrocketed recently. She teamed up with big companies like Capital One, AT&T, and Stella McCartney. Taylor Swift's brand power is evident through her partnerships with Elizabeth Arden Perfumes, American Express, Diet Coke, Walmart, and Apple. Thanks to her ongoing successful tour called the Eras Tour, Taylor Swift might be close to becoming a billionaire. Forbes predict that just the US part of her tour, which lasts for 5 months and includes 52 days, could bring in a massive $620 million. When you add in the international shows that extend the tour until August 2024, she could end up with around $500 million. If things continue like this, she might even reach the historic milestone of being the first entertainer to have a $1 billion tour. Taylor Swift's musical talent is not just about making great music, it's also about achieving remarkable things. Let's take a look at some of the very expensive things that Taylor Swift owns. Luxurious homes. Taylor Swift's collection of houses is worth an incredible $80 million. She owns 8 properties spread across 4 different states. This shows not only her skill in making smart investments, but also her love for living in luxury. Taylor Swift isn't just a music sensation, she's also a real estate star. She's made her mark by owning 8 impressive properties, showcasing her love for both music and real estate. Her affection for New York City is evident in her luxurious homes located in the upscale Tribeca neighborhood. One of her standout properties is a stunning duplex penthouse valued at $20 million. Taylor has put her personal touch on it, investing $535,000 in renovations. This penthouse is a combination of 3 separate homes she's purchased at different times. The first in 2015 for $19.95 million, the second in 2017 for $12.5 million, and the third in 2018 for an estimated $9.75 million. And her real estate journey doesn't stop there. It extends to the other side of the country in Los Angeles. The singer spent $25 million in 2015 to buy a Beverly Hills mansion, and she took great care to restore its original 1934 look. When she was just starting her career, Taylor bought an apartment that covered 301 square meters for nearly $2 million. Later on, she showed her love by giving her parents a Greek Revival-style mansion in Forest Hills, which covered 465 square meters. She bought it for $2.5 million in 2011. Taylor Swift added another impressive property to her collection when she bought a beachfront mansion in Rhode Island for a cool $17.75 million in cash. Private jet. Taylor Swift has taken her superstar status to new heights, quite literally, with her own private jets. She's not satisfied with just one plane. She owns 2 luxurious ones for her global adventures. Taylor's fleet includes a Dassault Falcon 900 and a Dassault Falcon 50. Both of which can comfortably carry 12 passengers and have impressive performance features. What makes her jets unique is the number 13, which is her lucky number, boldly displayed on the outside of the aircraft. She pays great attention to even the smallest details, ensuring that her private jets truly represent her identity. The cost of such luxury matches her immense fame. It's reported that Taylor Swift spent between $40 to $45 million for each jet, showing her commitment to quality and style. There have been discussions about Taylor Swift's impact on the environment. Taylor Swift's transition from performing on stage to flying in private jets reflects the way modern global superstars live. While she continues to make a big impact in the music industry and beyond, her private planes stand as a symbol for her remarkable success and drive. Cats. Taylor Swift's affection for her beloved cats is just as well known as her music. The famous singer is a proud pet parent to 3 unique feline friends, each with a name that reflects their special personalities. Meredith Grey and Olivia Benson, named after TV show characters, and Benjamin Button, named after Brad Pitt's famous role. These cats are not only adorable, but also quite valuable. Both Olivia and Meredith even made appearances in Taylor Swift's music videos, and there's a song called Gorgeous dedicated to them. These furry companions belong to some of the most expensive cat breeds, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 each. But it's not just their initial cost that's high. They also travel in style. Taylor Swift's Netflix documentary shows that these 3 cats globetrot in personalized backpacks, living a lavish life alongside their famous owner. Designer clothes and accessories. Taylor Swift's fashion sense is just as famous as her music, and her collection of designer clothes shows how big of a global star she is. Whether it's in her music videos or at award shows, Taylor Swift effortlessly wears a variety of expensive and stylish outfits along with beautiful accessories. In her music video for Willow, she wore a Zimmermann dress that cost $2,650. She paired it with pearl earrings priced at $8,950 and a Flora tiara that costs $1,225. Collaborating with Stella McCartney, Taylor Swift wore an orange plaid coat for the Evermore album cover, and it quickly became a sensation, priced at $2,875. Brand endorsement deals. Besides her music that tops the chart and her albums that break records, Taylor Swift's money comes from her brand deals and her popularity on social media. Well-known companies like Keds, Diet Coke, Apple, Papa John's, and American Express invest a lot in her image. These partnerships play a big role in her impressive wealth. By teaming up with these companies, Taylor Swift shows how much influence she has in different areas, making her a worldwide icon. Philanthropist. Amidst all her incredible achievements and luxurious belongings, Taylor Swift is also known for her kindness and caring heart. She doesn't just focus on fame and riches, she uses her influence for the better. Taylor Swift has shown her support for the Nashville Symphony and helped with disaster relief efforts. She's raised a lot of money through benefit concerts and donations for these causes. Through her acts of charity, Taylor Swift demonstrates that her impact goes beyond just breaking records. It's about touching and improving people's lives. I hope our glimpse into Taylor Swift's personal life helped you understand what success and wealth can look like. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a comment sharing what you liked and why. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to show your support and stay updated with our future content. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.